Hello, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I did a review on Pattern. So usually when celebrities come out with a hair care line, for some reason, I don't know why, I just don't get excited. Maybe because in my mind I'm thinking they're just on this natural wave hype, so they hurry up and try to rush and make a product to sell. But when I heard Tracy Ellis Ross made a product for naturals, I knew I had to get my hands on it. First of all, I loved her hair even before I was natural, back on her girlfriend days. Her hair was always so beautiful, and I never thought my hair could ever be like how it is now, because I was still relaxed back then. And also, her products are a little pricey, which I don't mind paying the price. I want to say the largest size was like $25 for the shampoo and conditioner. Because I don't mind paying that, but first I need to make sure I like the product before I go ahead and spend all that money. I have no problem with supporting black-owned businesses or black brands, or even a brand that I really like. So I opt for the travel size. So in the travel size, it came with the hydrating shampoo, it has a heavy conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. In her line, she also has oil, I'm gonna say a comb. I think that's about it, the oil and a comb. So she didn't have any curling cream or gel. To achieve this twist out, I needed curling cream, so I went and grabbed my Cream of Nature. You can see, Butterlicious. This is their Curl Hydrating Buttercream. And that's the only products I use. All the Pattern products, and I use that. This is the same twist out I did in my other video when I used Diva by Cindy products. I did 2-strand twist, mini twist. Left them in for a couple days. I want to say like 4 days, and I took them out today. So this is what I have. So I'll leave the link to that video below if you want to check out how I did my twist. So let me go ahead on to the clip where you see me actually using the products, and I'll explain in those clips how I felt about each product. Pattern Hydration Shampoo gently cleanses and hydrates. It also says it's great for curls, coils, and tight textures. This shampoo smelled great. It smelled a little bit citrusy to me. Is that a word? Or smelled like citrus. And it felt like it cleansed my hair, had a great slip to it, and it lathered it up really great. Pattern Heavy Conditioner for Curlies amplify hydration and nourishment. It's great for curly and tight textures. So as you can see from what I'm showing you guys, this conditioner is extremely thick. Really, really thick. I think I would use it again for a deep conditioner. So I would put it in my hair and sit under the steamer or a heating cap. It might be a little bit too thick for my hair texture, but I'm quite sure this is great for the 4C women or women with really tight curls. And it also smells like bananas to me. After shampooing and conditioning my hair, I did not have a lot of shed hair. As you can see, that little ball of hair in the corner, that's all the hair I lost while shampooing and conditioning my hair. But as far as Pattern, I would say I like her products. I need to usually try a product 2-3 times to really see if I really love it, but I like it enough that I would try it again. The only product that I did not use on screen was the leave-in conditioner. So for the leave-in conditioner, it's really lightweight. I do feel like it's hydrating my hair. I don't feel any sticky residue. I didn't feel anything after using it. and the smell was really mild. And also for the packaging, I like the way the bottles feel. That might sound silly, but it's not a regular plastic. I don't know what kind of plastic it is, but it feels really nice and smooth. I could tell that she took her time with it. And this is so cute. This is really cute. My hair felt soft, and I don't know what the bread is besides really soft. Like it feels like pillows, like marshmallows. Pattern. Tracy Ellis Ross did a great job. She has beautiful hair, and I'm glad that she's sharing her secrets with us. For my ladies who have tried Pattern, drop down in the comments and let me know what product was your favorite. Do you like the products? And as always, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.